Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible, smart, space saving kitchen organization ideas. Let's start. A smart kitchen integrates modern technology, appliances, and design features to create an efficient, convenient, and connected cooking environment. Smart, space-saving kitchen organization focuses on optimizing storage and accessibility in small or cluttered kitchens. Here are some tips for topic. Drawer organizers and dividers. Invest in adjustable drawer organizers for cutlery, utensils, and kitchen tools. You can also use expandable dividers for pots, pans, and plates. Over-the-door storage. Hang organizers on pantry or cabinet doors to store cleaning supplies, wraps, or extra condiments. Over-the-door hooks can also hold pots, lids, or towels. Pull-out cabinet solutions. Add pull-out racks or baskets inside cabinets for better access to deep storage areas. Lazy Susans and pull-out spice racks are also great for maximizing space. Stackable and nesting items. Opt for stackable or nesting storage containers, mixing bowls, and cookware to save space. You can also use studded tracks inside cabinets for stacking plates and cups. Use cabinet storage. Install hooks or rods under cabinets for hanging mugs, utensils, or dishcloths. Under shelves baskets can also increase your cabinet space for lightweight items. Multifunctional furniture. Use kitchen island or carts with built-in storage for additional counter space and storage. Foldable or extendable tables can be stored when not in use. Use clear containers and labels. Store pantry items in clear, labeled containers to make the most of shelf space and easily find what you need. Corner storage solutions. Consider corner cabinets with rotating shelves or corner shelves organizers to fully utilize those acquired spaces. Hanging pot racks hang pots, pans, and cooking utensils from ceiling racks or wall-mounted bars to free up cabinet space. Use vertical space, wall-mounted shelves or racks. Install floating shelves or pegboards to store frequently used items like spice, mugs, or utensils. Magnetic stripes. Use magnetic stripes for knives, spice jars, or metal kitchen tools on walls or inside cabinet doors. Here are more detailed tips and ideas for smart, space-saving kitchen organization. Maximizing cabinet space. Shelf risers. These create additional layers within cabinets. making it easier to stack dishes, cans, or glasses without wasting vertical space. Cabinet door racks attach slim racks or hooks inside cabinet doors for storing cutting boards, measuring cups, or small kitchen tools. Roll out pantries. If you have narrow gaps between appliances, consider adding a slim roll out pantry cart that can hold spice, cans, or jars. Customized drawer inserts, knife blocks, and cutlery trays. Specialized insert keep knives, forks, and other tools neatly separated, making it easier to access them quickly. Deep drawer dividers. These can be customized for storing larger items like pots, lids, and baking sheets, preventing them from sliding around. Efficient pantry organization. Charted shelving. Use charted risers to arrange canned goods or spice so that you can see everything at once without having to dig through layers. Bins and baskets. Group similar items together using bins or baskets. For example, you could create a breakfast basket with cereal, oats, or dried fruits, or a snack basket for easy access. Easy cushions. Place them in corner cabinets or pantries to easily rotate and access items like oils, condiments, and spice. Hanging storage solutions. Ceiling pot racks. Free up cabinet space by hanging pots and pans from ceiling racks. This also adds a rustic or industrial style to the kitchen. Hanging baskets. Suspend baskets from the ceiling or under cabinets for storing fruits, vegetables, or small items that would otherwise take up counter space. Under sink organization, stacking shelves, and adjustable organizers. The space under the sink can be taken due to plumbing, but adjustable shelves or stackable baskets can help create order. Use this for cleaning supplies, trash bags, or dishwashing items. Pull out trash and recycling bins. Maximize space by using pull-out bins that are neatly concealed inside a cabinet but easily accessible. Countertop organization. Multi-turret stands. Use turret stands or racks to keep fruits, spice, or frequently used items within reach without cluttering the countertop. Wall-mounted tool rails. These can hold spatulas, ladles, and other tools while freeing up drawer and counter space. Modular and foldable furniture. Drop flip tables. These tables can expand with needed and fold down to save space. Perfect for small kitchens or eat-in areas. Foldable or stackable chairs. Store extra setting when not in use, giving you flexibility without taking up valuable floor space. Refrigerators and freezer organization, clear bins and shelf liners. Use clear bins to group similar items and add shelf liners that allow for easy cleaning and better visibility. Adjustable shelves. Configure shelves to accommodate tall or bulky items, making the most of the interior space. Appliance placement. Appliance garages. These are complements built into countertops or cabinets, or you can store away small appliances like toasters and coffee makers, keeping counters clear when they are not in use. Other cabinet appliances install microwave ovens or coffee makers under cabinets to free up more counter space. Compact and multi-purpose gadgets, nestable measuring cups and bowls, opt for collapsible or stackable kitchen tools that can be stored compactly. Multifunctional appliances consider devices that perform multiple tasks like an instant pot. We serve as a slow cooker, pressure cooker and more, or a blender with multiple attachments. These space-saving solutions not only help you stay organized but also make your kitchen more functional and enjoyable to use, even in the smallest of spaces. Subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.